Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. The legend is back. After decades of silence, Yamaha shocks the motorcycle world with the return of an icon, the 2025 Yamaha RD750LC. Designed for true enthusiasts and performance purists, this bike pays tribute to the golden era of two-strokes while packing cutting-edge tech and engineering. It's not just a nostalgic revival, it's a modern beast with old-school soul. The RD750LC carries a liquid-cooled 749 cubic centimeters parallel twin two-stroke engine that roars like nothing else on the road. With an estimated 95 horsepower and a dry weight under 400 pounds, this machine is built for sheer exhilaration. Yamaha has tuned it for responsive mid-range power and top-end scream, giving riders a spine-tingling experience with every twist of the throttle. Its classic styling is unmistakably RD, twin round headlights, a narrow tank, and that signature LC silhouette, but with a modern twist. LED lighting, a TFT dash, and updated aerodynamics blend old and new in perfect harmony. It's a bike that turns heads, whether you're on a canyon road or at a weekend bike meet. Underneath its retro skin, the 2025 RD750LC is fully modern. It features a lightweight aluminum frame, fully adjustable KYB suspension, radial Brembo brakes, and traction control that you can actually turn off. Yamaha made sure this isn't just a museum piece, it's track-ready, street-legal, and built to perform. The riding experience is raw and visceral. That two-stroke crackle, the instant power delivery, and the smell of burnt oil, it's everything riders miss from the past, now engineered for today's standards. And with modern tires and suspension, it handles far better than its 1980s ancestors ever could. Yamaha is keeping this bike exclusive. Only 2,000 units will be made worldwide, with the US market receiving a limited allocation. If you want one, you'd better move fast. The starting price is $19,999 US, and that's before collector premiums kick in. For American riders who crave something truly different, the 2025 Yamaha RD750LC is more than a motorcycle. It's a statement. It's about passion, performance, and preserving a legacy. This isn't just the return of a legend, it's the rebirth of an era.